Good day, everyone. Today is going to be another backtesting session. And on our previous video, we backtested the month of November. And right now, we're currently on December. And yeah, um, encouraging you to hop in on this video and let's study this December spice action because December tends to be choppy. But so far in December, it came from a 5-day win streak. And then today we lost over here in December 9. Which was this long over here. With my stop to just like something like that. Then target like 1-1, wherever 1-1 is. So yeah, we lost on that one. So let's hop in on the new day and back that together with me, buddy. Get it. All right. So today is gonna be Tuesday. What's the news for Tuesday? Was it December 10? Orange folder. Looking bullish. This time we're looking bullish, buddy. We're currently on all-time highs. All right, we're far from all-time highs because a few days ago we're literally was an all-time high. So look at this, we're probably like displacing towards until the hourly. By the way, guys, if you're wondering why I have a different charts right now, it's pretty much because oh, actually with an S&P there. I don't know why ES looks like this choppy. Looks so chopped up. Anyways, I think we're gonna take this until the hourly or sweep first, then go for the until the hourly. Oh, ES already took it, I think. Yeah, ES already took that. I wasn't looking. Maybe I could have caught longs on NQ if that was the case. But right, I'm still bullish unless we invert such in 3 minutes. All right, I'm bearish, but I'm not gonna short from this point on though. Took like an hourly intermediate low, intermediate high, and tap onto one until 15 minutes. I do believe with a bearish S&P as well because ES was extremely low. Yeah, we didn't even take the high, so it's like technically, what high was this by the way? December 9 high. Oh yeah, we didn't do as well, but this unfilled gap wasn't filled, so it's like an FVG SMT. All right, we can still short here actually. The draw is still there. The buy side, uh, the initial bullish bias has been taken, so I do believe shorts are valid. However, I don't want to hop in with this shorts right now. Yeah, it looks good, but the range is too big, right? The range is too big. I'm gonna wait for like a 5 minute sleep. No, thankfully I didn't go because I get stopped out there if ever. I guess we're gonna remain bullish because ES is going higher. So all right, so I'll validate longs more because the price is presenting us that we want to go higher though. Or should we wait again? Because maybe this was just an open high low close. Yeah, I'll wait a bit. We might get an open high low close. After this one's valid now. This long looks so good. Wondering if I'm just like a little too late though. This long looks pretty good. LR to the upside. This long looks so good. But I don't want to quite hop in. This based on discretion looks good model wise, but it's not giving me the conviction I wanted. I mean, we're delivering from until hourly with an SMC, 5 minute DPR is down here. Oh, I can just stop that one. I mean, we had a 3 minute manipulation. All right, we'll just watch this, but I'm not taking it. Yeah, I have really low conviction with that one. I better want to see like a retrace of the 5 minute VPR. I mean, it's up to you if you want to take short story to that. No, I'll just wait for the 5 minute VPR retrace. 5 minute. really choppy though. Yeah. Thankfully I didn't participate to any of that. This was just pure chop. Yeah. No trade day. It's just pretty choppy. Very low probability. So, you gotta be able to determine, high probability and lower probability conditions. And these are one of the examples that, really presents it's a low probability condition. So, yeah, yeah. Let's go to the different day. Let's go to Wednesday today. All right. I assume there's news there already, as I can see. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And there's like an hourly intermediate high here. Looking so bullish, but we need to rebalance here. Just wait for like a manipulation, some sort of like, mm, we're gonna inverse this. Okay, we inverse higher. It means we just want to take this buy side, right? Oh, this is that lagging? December 9 high. I'm gonna take this long, guys. It's really petite long, really petite and obvious long, so it's more discretionary, guys. We may click something though. Please. Actually, it's no manipulation. It's just pure. Yeah, I'm not taking it. I thought there's like some sort of manipulation. Yeah, I get stopped out there, Barbara. Wow. No retrace. Okay. Yeah, seems like we still want to go higher. I think we're all-time high. Okay, I'm an all-time high, guys. I'm not shorting this in any way, shape, or form, but you might want to fill this 15-minute low right here. You can take longs if you can take it up until 15 minutes. Is there an SMT out of that? No. This is just a manipulation. All-time high shit. Yeah. No shade again. Like, uh, because this one for me is like lower probability. Yeah, it would work. Like initially, this is where my stock to be, but we're at all-time. I mean, like not really all-time highs at that point, but I don't really have the conviction that we're gonna just ramp this high like nothing happened. But you know, know about who knew that would happen. Basically just no high quality entry, but there are some optimals if you're willing to take it. I mean, not a trade yet. I think uh, since I had this video, yeah. Don't have a win, guys. We're gonna stop again if a win, but we get two L's. We're gonna stop as well. All right. I mean, with this episode, it means it's not really being the best at the moment. Manipulate the low for me with a long to the upside. I know you want in Nasdaq. Wow, this is literally a barcode right here. December price action, by the way. They're gonna put hourly below it. Oh, we're just gonna just don't care. So 5 minute, there's a 3 minute and 2 minutes though. Is this long valid? Uh-huh. Trying to see if it is valid. Oh, so it means ES was a lot lower because it was able to take what is this low? 9 a.m. lows? This 9 a.m. lows was down here. So, I mean, like, we're delivering from an unfilled 15-minute here. Yeah, and we have, like, an SMT out of, like, this low. Oh, yeah. It's valid. We have the higher time frame version as well. I'm taking this long. Yeah, so this, like, 15-minute right here. It's gonna be our first trade. Might be our last trade as well because it's a winner. But I have a really strong conviction on this one. A plus for me. Not sure with the draw yet. We'll see the draws, but this is like perfect like AMD. Like this is like accumulation. Manipulation, yeah, and distribution probably others. Oh, is that a data high? If this is a data high, it's the freest. Oh, shit. This is the freest long ever. Freest long. Trust, guys. This is like the freest long ever. I second version because there's no comment. So this is just the freest long, guys. I'm gonna show you how it's done here. I'm gonna go break even as soon as we take all of this high. Where's the yes? Okay, I'm gonna mark out the data high, so maybe like we might have an SMT out of it. All right, this is just an A plus setup. Let's put the contracts in. Oh man. I mean, you already know I'm in. I tapped out one instead of out Q. Insane. Didn't put my contract in, but let's see if we can go back to entry though. What was that? It's really choppy. I told you it's the freest long, guys. Dude, this was the freest long. Freest. I don't know if there's not even a word that, spell like a freest long ever. Well, my stop to break even literally when took that high. A plus setup, and I knew it when I saw it. It's like shit. It's the freest long ever. It's the freest long ever. I mean, nothing really gets better than that. And we learned, you know, uh, what's my thought process, right? For me, it's really easy to understand. Just really, it's an A plus setup. Just gotta. It took pretty long though. That's just like the downside of it. It took like 42, 40 something minutes, like 42 minutes, I think. Took pretty long though, so I'm gonna give it like a 4 star. But the setup itself, insane, insane. Wasn't able to put my contract in. All right, so I mean that's a W, but it's like another like taking trade because that trade wasn't taken. It's like basically doesn't count, right? So we're on all time high though. All time highs. I mean, let's see if we can get any setup. All right, we're gonna get a setup here because we just retraced into this unfold hourly. We have an SMC. How about that? We have different. I'm just gonna look at what low is it. 5 p.m. 5 a.m. All right. Or just look 4 a.m. low and Nasdaq didn't. But it's just really good. Depends on the reaction, honestly. All right, we're just ripped higher. If you took this, it's pretty discretionary, guys. Honestly, it's not a type of trade that oh shit, I could repeat that and I really have problems from repeating that type of entry. Long, they have longs. This long look pretty good. Also, high time from inversion. Yeah. All right. I want to see an SMT on this retrace because this was a 15-minute, guys. You can see this. Gone back, respected. I mean, let's just mark it out. Heavily respected 15-minute. Currently at all-time highs. I'm gonna target this buy side here. Do you have any 5-minute? Nope. Look for SMT, by the way. Oh, all right. This is just an SMT over here. 5 time frame bullish SMT. Another A plus here. Another A plus setup. It's just really the price action here if ever because we're at all-time highs. And you don't really you can't, PA is not necessarily the best, not worse either. Uh, it's the whole time highs. I bet. I mean, I'm targeting it, but for me, the low hanging fruit is just a 101. It's like we're just talking about low hanging fruit. It's definitely the 101. But my science inversion for value gap. Yeah, pretty much nothing else to say there. It's really A plus. Uh, Actually, I'll tell my thought process, guys. Oh, this for first short. We're going long, buddy. So, what's my thought process here? Basically, we're all-time highs, so I'm bullish until proven wrong. We had here a hourly sweep, so we're currently in a bullish order flow. Out of market open, we just come to the upside. Then we had the retrace on this 15-minute gap, held respected. When where's the first percentage for value gap? You're just gonna look at the 1 minute, but also is the highest time frame on the 3 minutes. So let's plug this in. If there's a win or a loss, it's gonna be a loss trade because oh, if we already had the winner, I haven't had a screenshot of it yet. Alright, that. So say, bro, where are you gonna go to break even? Literally, just um, preferably somewhere like E high, could be this high, but honestly, I'll be more protected. Probably that high. So get it. What are we doing right now? Are we rejecting? Oh my God, the 5 minute is rejected. I think it's gonna be an L. Yeah, it's an L. Ah, even a 1-1 won't work. Dang. All right, that's an L right there. For me, it was really an A plus out of. Oh shit. The top this high. I just want to go break even, but it didn't. So, anyways, guys, it's pretty much gonna be the end of the video. We got two W's and an L in this video. We have two no trade days, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, no trade days, two W's and a win. I mean, two W's and a L, which is this L right here. Nonetheless, I hope you learned a lot from this video. It's really, I'm not trying to complicate it anymore. If you literally watch every single video I posted, that long hour backtesting session, on the month of like, I think April, or I think it was April, if I'm not mistaken, the month of April, then you've seen me, just go to months. I know that your conviction, discretion, and strategy is definitely going to improve along the way. Psychology would also improve because, I try to thought process whenever I'm, in a loose streak. Don't trade days where I don't take entries, but else, guys, is part of a winning system. Take note of that. In order to keep winning, you have to lose. It's part of statistics. So, hope you learned a lot from this video and hope you enjoy this video, guys. It's going to be all for today. Peace out.